Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be doing a simple skin focused makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be doing a nude eye and red glossy lips. So I want to really focus on the skin and having a nice healthy glow with highlights at the gods, but with a very neutral eye and bright red lips. So if you guys want to see how I'll achieve that look, please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Tap that subscribe button and join the family. So let's get into the video. Let's start off by dealing with my base, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Milani Make It Last setting spray and spray all over my face. So I'm going to use to get a really nice hydrated base. So then I'm going to go ahead with the Milani Prime Shield Primer. It's a nice silicone based primer. I'm going to go ahead with the Gleam by Milani Mills Body Radiance in the shade Rose Gold. I'm going to apply that on the highest points of my face, so my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, so that that it glows a little bit under my foundation. And now I'm going to go ahead to apply my foundation. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 410. So I'm looking into the mirror here. In case you're wondering what I'm looking at, I'm looking into the mirror here to see how blended in that is. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my concealer, and I'm going to be using the Nubian Beauty in my skin concealer in the shade 43. Nubian Beauty is a Nigerian brand, and I'm going to be using their concealer. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be blending it all out with the Nubian Beauty sponge. I'm going to go ahead to set the highlighted part of my face with my black Opal Deluxe finishing powder in the shade medium. I'm setting my whole face with my Maybelline Clear and Smooth powder in the shade Caramel. It's my go-to ride or die. I use it practically every day. So next thing I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to bronze my face with the Covergirl bronzer, the Covergirl collection bronzer in shade Ebony. bronze all over. I don't like to contour because my face is quite over as it is already. I'm going to go ahead to do my brows off camera, and I'm going to be doing my eyes with my eyeshadow look with this Taos neutral eyeshadow palette. This is basically the palette I get most, if not all, of my neutral shades from. My browns, nudes, my nude shades basically from, and this is what it looks like. It's sort of like a little dupe for the Morphe 35 or eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it all over as my transition color. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go ahead with this shade. I'm going to take it lower down and buff into my transition area. I'm going to go ahead with this True Techniques blush, and I'm going to take in this really dark shade and mix it with this shade and put that in my outer corner. I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to apply this shade right here. It's a nice iridescent shade. I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I've applied liner on my eyes, and I'm going to go ahead to smudge my lower lash line with this shade here. So I put some really nice lashes, some flirty lashes, and applied some mascara. I think it's time for us to apply some blush. And I'll be blushing with this Milani blush. With this Milani blush in Bella Rosa. Give us some blush, give us some blush, give us some blush, give us some. I'm going to go into highlights. I'm going to be using this Milani Tantastic bronzer. I'm also going to double with this Milani Strobe eye and face strobe palette. I'm going to take a little bit of that into my inner corner. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter to my décolletage. The first thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be lining my lips with this Zaron lip pencil in the shade Stallion. I'm going to be applying my Ruby Woo lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo, my MAC. And because I want some gloss in my life, I'm going to be using this RLG Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Crystal. Guys, so that's complete the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe once again. Don't forget to subscribe, join this family. I'd love to see you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.